Say hello to the Dawn. That's what I named my male goat, KIKO goat. He is a handful, and his mistress is a handful. Came in here to start shoring up some of the holes that are in this barn. And I got a trailer that I'm going to funnel them out into so I can finally get these guys corralled. And so I just thought I could let you guys see what the Dawn looks like. He's a registered KIKO bull. What's up, Don? And he'll eat right out of my hand. He's not too bad. He's a little spooked right now. He was sleeping on the back end of this. And he didn't hear me come in and start. I was working over there fixing some holes. And he's going to go head to her. I'd like for them to head to the back, so I want to work on this hole over here next. So that's what I'm hoping they'll do. You guys head out back. Looks like that's what they're doing. Alright, this is the hole I'm going to work on next. Get this secured. There's some fencing on the other side here that I'm going to try to pull over. And just get this done today. Alright, see you later.